What can Shane do now? Well, we've been everywhere.
Oh my God.
We've done everything. We're back at the farm. It's really dark in here, but that's okay. The light go on. She set the tent up in the room because she's seen mouse poop. And now we're going to the outhouse. It's really dark outside. Let's see what can happen in the outhouse. What strange events will happen. So go towards the outhouse. You pull the door. Oh, wow, there's light coming from the outhouse. Why? Because Shane dropped the flashlight in the toilet. Holy glowing shit. Only Shane would do this. It's the American way. See where you pee. Tomorrow we'll be showing you how to drown yourself in the outhouse. Or driving in reverse.